Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for no-nonsense reviews on products that are worth your time and money. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best chronograph sports watch with a tachymeter bezel in its price range, the US Polo Association. Men's Chronograph Sport Watch. From the moment you unbox it, this watch gives off a premium feel despite its budget-friendly price. The first thing that grabs your attention is the bold, modern design. It features a crisp digital display housed within a 46mm alloy case. The size feels just right on most wrists, not too bulky, but big enough to make a statement. It's designed to fit wrists between 5.5 to 8 inches, so whether you're slim-wristed or more on the muscular side, this will likely sit comfortably on you. Now let's talk about the strap. It's made of white silicone, soft, flexible, and surprisingly comfortable for long wear. It's sporty but clean, making it versatile enough to pair with workout gear or even a casual evening outfit. The white strap adds a fresh aesthetic, and the black frame on the case back gives a sharp contrast that enhances its overall appearance. Functionality-wise, this watch packs more features than you'd expect at this price point. You get dual time capability, which is perfect for frequent travelers or anyone who needs to track a different time zone. There's a stopwatch built in, great for workouts or timing intervals. It also has an alarm feature, which is handy when you need a silent reminder on the go. What's really cool is the tachymeter bezel. While it's a decorative touch for most casual users, if you're into measuring speed over distance or just like the aesthetic of more detailed bezels, this adds that extra layer of sportiness. And the analog-digital combo display brings the best of both worlds. Traditional hands for a classic look, and a digital screen for quick glances at time and functions. This watch runs on quartz movement, which means it's reliable, accurate, and low maintenance. It doesn't need winding, and the battery life tends to be solid. However, it's worth noting that this model is not water resistant, so it's best to avoid wearing it in the shower, swimming pool, or heavy rain. The build quality, given its alloy construction, is sturdy enough for daily use. The button response is decent, and setting up the dual time or alarm is pretty straightforward once you get the hang of the interface. If you're a student, a young professional, or just someone who wants a stylish, functional timepiece without breaking the bank, this is a great pick. It's ideal for casual wear, sports, gym sessions, or just everyday style. In summary, the US Polo Association Men's Chronograph Sport Watch offers tremendous value. It combines bold aesthetics with practical features, making it a top contender in the budget sports watch segment. It might not come with high-end materials or deep water resistance, but for the price, it's an absolute win. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest product deep dives. See you next time.